Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all charging methods for your earbuds SOUNDPEATS AIR 4 Pro. And the first one is a classic one, is to use an adapter and USB-C cable. Connect adapter to the power. And USB-C cable to the USB-C port at the bottom of your charging case. Right here we have it. So click on it. Right here we can see the LED light, meaning that earbuds are charging. Okay, so next one. You can use your phone to charge your earbuds, and all you need to have for this just USB-C to USB-C cable. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable to your phone. And the second one to USB-C port at your charging case. And again, we can see this LED light, so this method also works. Now, the last one is to use USB-C to USB-A cable. And it looks like this. Here we go, and you can use, let's say, your PC to charge your earbuds or another device with USB-A port. So connect USB-A cable to USB-A port. And then USB-C cable to USB-C port on your charging case. And again, the same LED light. So this method also works. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.